Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jay here. I want to do a quick review on this Easy Make cone binding machine. I actually got this machine for our homeschool booklets and pamphlets, so that I won't have to purchase, homeschool curriculums. I can just make them and print them out throughout the years. And so it's fairly easy. You just put the cones right here. You open it up and you put the little bindings in here. So super easy and simple to make. You can also adjust and make sure that your paper is actually in the correct position, and also in the back right here you can choose how big you want your paper margins to be. It comes with the manual. It tells you how to do it from start to finish, and it comes with the binding plastic bindings. So yeah, I highly recommend it, especially if you're trying to save on making pamphlets for homeschool or just for your office or work in general. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.